We'll guide you through how to blend color in Krita. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because blending colors smoothly is a fundamental skill in digital art, especially for beginners using Krita. Open Krita on your computer and create a new canvas to begin your blending practice. Add a new layer so you can work non-destructively and keep your adjustments flexible. Pick two different colors that contrast clearly to make the blending effect easier to see. Use the brush tool and paint the first color on one side of the canvas. Then paint the second color next to it, so both areas touch. Select a soft round brush and lower the brush opacity to achieve a gentle effect. Gently paint between the two colors, allowing them to mix gradually and create a smooth transition. This creates a smooth transition that looks natural and soft. Use the Smudge Tool and drag across the color edges to push the colors into each other. Blend slowly and do not rush the process so the gradient remains clean. Adjust the smudge strength if needed to control how strong the blending appears. Try the Airbrush tool for a softer blend and use light strokes repeatedly to build up colors smoothly. Pick intermediate colors manually between your two main colors and use the color picker often to sample tones. Paint between tones again to refine the gradient and repeat until the transition looks smooth. Use a low-flow brush for better control over subtle blending. Add more layers for shading and set a layer to multiply for shadows. Use overlay for lighting to enhance brightness. The blur tool can help slightly, but do not rely on it too much. Do not overblend, as this can make colors look muddy. Zoom out to check the result and see the overall effect. Adjust colors if needed and save your artwork when finished. Take your time to observe how the colors interact and focus on building smooth gradients step by step. Practice with different color combinations to understand how blending behaves in various situations. Experiment with pressure sensitivity if you are using a tablet to gain more control.